Internet of Things. Basically, it is connected with 5G. Why 5G? Because 5G is a new technology which gives a lot of speed. Okay. Now, what is Internet of Things? Internet actually means uh, right now it is connection of people, basically people using devices and talking to each other through phones, email, and all that, analyzing everything. Now, Internet of Things is basically objects are now using internet and they are talking to each other. Okay, they are communicating with each other, whether in factory, whether in your home, whether in the retail chains, whether government has various devices placed at various places. So it is the new world, you know, which these things are going to generate. On the positive side, it is going to generate a lot of efficiency, a lot of real-time data which can be analyzed, more accurately, and more predictions, accurate predictions about operations can be done to avoid runtime by checking on to various parameters which are in a running process, involved in a running process. So, in nutshell, Internet of Things is a next industrial, consumer thing which is going to come, and which is in the, uh, which is already there. I mean, with the 5G technology. Why 5G? It is coming because of these things only. Market wants the consumption, the endless story should go on. That's what the market is about. That humans should consume and then they should contribute something to consumption, and then the economy grows, and that's right. I mean, basically, that's what I want to say, that technology and everything is more, industrial productivity centric than human centric. Of course, you can say that some efficiency improves via these devices, but humans actually are not using these. I mean, in general, what I feel. Of course, information dissemination is taking place, but humans as a system have some problems which we have failed to address, or our system has failed. So the humans have failed, let machines take over. That's some kind of a jumla, what they say, or some kind of a modern line, Now, what exactly is Internet of Things, IoT, is going to do? As far as home thing is concerned, let's take other smart home. What exactly is meant by smart home? Smart home means that you have all your devices, like your fridge, like your AC, like your geyser, like your various, switches, electronic switches of your lights and all that. Some other processes like your surveillance system is on the internet. Your fridge, another device which is on the internet, and they're talking to you right now. They will be talking to you with your phone and conveying it to you. The thing is, then they will not be talking to the market directly. They'll be talking to you on your phone, and you can talk to them through your phone. But the biggest issue, which comes into this is security. Will people allow them to be watched, like mobile itself? I feel that you are on surveillance by this mobile. In a second, the government can see you, what are you doing. in a second anybody who's got a hacker or anybody can, because we are not ethical people right now. Ethics is that information has to be, lot of information has to be private. Now that ethic is not there in society. That ethics is not there in the processes. So what I feel is the people will, this issue will always arise, that howsoever people would say that your data would not be stolen or something, but these issues will be a concern. That's what I feel. And another thing is the security. Take for example, a casino was hacked just because it had, the fish tank of it was connected with the internet. Using that, they hacked into casino and stole the data over there. So this is a very, very important issue. Another thing is IoT would be very good in manufacturing and retail, all that, because in manufacturing, you have various equipments, devices, and machinery which are generating real-time data and which humans are not able to analyze. So these sensors are going to pick up and feed it into a computer which has got a very good analytical software which can analyze the data generated and can predict the future behavior or the present behavior of the various equipment, so that downtime is avoided, the breakdown is avoided, so that improves the efficiency of the factory. A factory becomes smarter. As far as the retail space is concerned, the CEO can do a walkthrough in his office, seeing all the chains all over the world or in a particular area, keeping a watch on various elements which are unglamorous, or various equipments, assets, all that, which actually go into contributing to customer satisfaction. So that can be the frontline executive can be better managed through IoT devices and all that. So, for example, a person who sweeps, as he swept the floor everywhere, there will be sensors somewhere here, and you can shift that sensor, and you can see that the person has swept that place or not. Something like that is going to emerge in times to come. But the issue is that how the smarter governance are going to make smarter people. Will we be able to educate our masses, or will the masses be sidelined and they'll be just a spectator or watcher in this capitalist game? And whether capitalism, definitely it wants to transform into industrial 4.0 they want to say. So it is 4.0 which is going to come. It is smarter way for the capitalist world, and how it is going to see the thing, because one paradigm is very clear, that humans have failed, let machine take over.